Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John Ahr and I'm your instructor. In this video, I'm going to do an experiment. Now, why am I doing an experiment on camera? I've never done this before. Well, partly because I know that if I completely blow this, my business partner and editor will make sure that it never sees the light of day. So if you're watching this, chances are the experiment turns out pretty well, but watch till the end to make sure. But I'm doing this because I'm taking my own advice. A lot of times when I get questions that I don't know the answer to, I'll often just write back saying, why don't you do an experiment? So here's my experiment. I wanted to find out if I could successfully merge 3 different types of wire together in a twist. Now, I'm combining silver, copper, and brass. Now, the steps that I took to do this was, first, I cut even lengths of wire. They're all about the same. Then I annealed these wires individually, minding their individual melting points, pickled them, brass brushed them, dried them off. Then I took a little bit of binding wire and twisted the ends together in the positions that I wanted, and using easy solder, I soldered the ends together. Once they're soldered, pickled them, brass brushed them, dried them off, and then I used a hammer and a bench block to flatten the ends. That way my vise and my vice grips will be able to have a better grip on things and things shouldn't torque out and hit me in the face. At least we hope not. So I'm ready to go. So let's see how it works out. So I'll take one end of the wires and I'll put it into the vise. And before I tighten it up too much, I'm going to put on my safety glasses. There we go. All right, so you want to get this nice and tight in your vise. You don't want it to twist out or have the vise let go of it somehow. And I'm going to use my vice grips, and I'm just going to position them so that they grab the wires within the center of the jaws, like so. Okay, so I'm going to twist this to my right, just like the industry tells us we should always do. Now, if that's something that's new to you and you're new to watching the Online Jewelry Academy, we do have a number of other wire twisting videos that you can watch that will fill in some of the gaps for you. Now, this seems to be going really well. I'm liking the result. I'm getting a really nice view of all 3 colors of metal. Okay, I think I'm going to stop right there. We got a good result. Okay, take it out of the vise. And now we've got a beautiful example of 3 different contrasting metals in one twisted wire. This could be turned into almost anything. I personally would want to wear this as a bracelet. I think it'd make a really handsome men's bracelet. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget we've got merchandise, we're on social media, we've got classes on udemy.com. We're everywhere. So follow the Online Jewelry Academy and be sure to share us with your friends. Thanks for watching.